Your prized possessions, whether it's a meticulously curated baseball card collection, a coveted Birkin handbag, or a cellar of aging Bordeaux, bring you immense joy. But here's the harsh reality. They're also a logistical nightmare for your loved ones after you're gone. Those cherished stamps, coins, or bobbleheads, they're not just hobbies. They're assets that require careful consideration in your estate plan. And this is the part most people miss. Without proper planning, your treasures could end up in a landfill or spark bitter family feuds. Valuing your collection is no easy feat, warn estate planning experts. Accountants and attorneys alike stress the complexity of assigning a precise worth to these unique items. And what happens to your vintage guitars or mid-century paintings when you're no longer here? Dividing a collection can feel like dismantling a labor of love, and not all heirs will appreciate the sentimental or monetary value of, say, Eisenhower-era comic books. Imagine the chaos without a will, cautions Wayne Hassey, an attorney and managing partner at McGuire Schneider Hassey in Ohio. How do you fairly distribute 10,000 baseball cards or 500 bottles of wine among 6 heirs? It's a recipe for conflict, and yet, many collectors overlook this critical aspect of estate planning. To help you navigate this tricky terrain, here are 5 expert-backed strategies for incorporating your collections into your estate plan. 1. Document your collection, the foundation of preservation. If your collection holds financial or sentimental value, estate planners urge you to create a detailed record. Start by self-documenting your collection, advises Sarah Gaiman, a CPA at Berkowitz Pollack Brandt in Florida. This documentation serves as a credible baseline for its potential value. Ideally, create a spreadsheet or file folder with descriptions of each item, including its origin, significance, purchase price, and estimated current value. Short on time? Even photographs or videos of your collection can be invaluable. As Elizabeth Buffardi, a CPA and certified financial planner in Chicago, suggests, think of it as an inventory for your passions and your insurance claims. 2. Insure your treasures. But weigh the costs. Don't assume your homeowner's insurance covers your collection. Policies vary widely, and many exclude high-value items. Consider a valuable items policy specifically designed for jewelry, musical instruments, and collectibles. However, here's the controversial part. With rising insurance costs, is it worth the expense? Ask yourself, Buffardi prompts, how devastated would I be if this were lost or damaged? It's a personal decision that balances emotional attachment with financial practicality. 3. Appraise high-value items when price tags matter. While appraisals can be costly, they're crucial for high-value artwork, jewelry, and other significant pieces. Once you're dealing with 5 figures or more, says Michael Chua, principal attorney at Pax Terra Law in Los Angeles, an appraisal becomes essential. Appraisals not only aid in insurance and estate planning, but also signal to heirs the true value of that abstract painting or vintage watch. But is it worth appraising your Beanie Babies collection? Probably not. 4. Educate your loved ones. Bridge the generation gap. Your collection's significance might be lost on your heirs. Too often, Buffardi notes, the younger generation dismisses these treasures as clutter. Don't let your prized possessions end up in a recycling bin. Take the time to share the stories behind your collection, its value, and where to find documentation. Hassey adds, many clients hesitate to discuss their valuables, fearing it's too personal. But this conversation is crucial for preserving your legacy. 5. Craft a distribution plan. Avoid family feuds. Dividing a collection in an estate plan requires finesse. Who gets the $50,000 painting? What if one child cherishes your vintage LPs while another couldn't care less? Cash is easy to split, Gaiman points out, but how do you liquidate a collection of rare vinyl? Trusts, though complex, offer a solution. They allow for specific instructions, Tra explains, ensuring your wishes are followed. But here's the question. Are you willing to risk family harmony by leaving vague instructions? Chua has seen families tear apart over a piece of jade, each claiming, "Mom promised it to me." Now, we want to hear from you. Do you have a collection that needs estate planning? Have you encountered challenges in valuing or distributing your treasures? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about preserving legacies and avoiding family disputes.